In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Secure DNS on Brave browser. If you want more control over how your browser handles DNS requests, Brave includes a built-in Secure DNS feature that can improve privacy and sometimes even enhance connection reliability. This setting allows your browser to use encrypted DNS services instead of the default system provider, helping reduce exposure of your browsing activity. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to turn this feature on or off depending on your preference. To begin, open the Brave browser on your computer. Once it is fully loaded, look toward the upper right corner of the window and click on the menu icon. This opens the main navigation menu, where you can access all of Brave's settings and configuration options. From the menu, select Settings. This will take you to Brave's main settings panel, where you can customize privacy, appearance, and security features. Once inside the settings page, focus on the left-hand side menu and click on Privacy and Security. This section contains all the key controls related to protecting your browsing data and managing how your connection is handled. After entering the Privacy and Security area, move to the Security section on the right side of the page. Here, you will find advanced options that control how Brave manages secure connections and encrypted services. Scroll down until you locate the section labeled Advanced. Within this section, look for the option called Use Secure DNS. This setting determines whether Brave will use encrypted DNS requests to resolve website addresses. If you want to enable additional privacy protection, switch the toggle on. If you prefer to use your default network DNS settings, simply switch it off. The change takes effect immediately, and there is no need for additional configuration. It is worth noting that enabling Secure DNS can help protect your browsing activity from being easily observed by your network provider, while disabling it may sometimes improve compatibility with certain networks or custom DNS setups. You can switch this setting at any time depending on your needs. Once you have adjusted the toggle to your preference, you can close the settings page and continue browsing normally. Brave will automatically apply your selection in the background. And that is all there is to it. You have successfully learned how to enable or disable Secure DNS in Brave browser and adjust your privacy settings with ease. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell